Hey guys, I'm Nick. Thanks for checking out my channel. I've had the car for about 2 days now, so I think it's time to perform the first modification, and that would be to remove the Veloster badge. So I watched a few videos on how to do this relatively easily, and it seems like most everybody likes to heat up the adhesive either with a hot air gun or some hot water. I just stuck this water in the microwave for a couple minutes, so it's not boiling, it's just hot. Now this is where some techniques start to diverge. Some people use a credit card or other tools, and I've seen other people using dental floss or fishing line. I'm going to try dental floss first, and if that doesn't work out, I might try a credit card or something. This actually seems to be cutting through pretty easily, just sawing back and forth. So why am I removing the Veloster badge off of my brand new Veloster N? I don't know. I think it looks kind of busy back here. There's a lot of badges. Am I ashamed of driving a Veloster? No, I don't think so. But I just think it looks better without the Veloster badge. So this is actually coming off pretty easily. Sawing through pretty quickly. I'm almost done already. I suspect we're going to have to peel quite a bit of adhesive off of the paint and use some Goo Gone or other adhesive remover. My floss is starting to fray a little bit, but I think it will stay intact for this last letter. Okay, this should just pop off. Very good. Let's see, how do I want to remove this? Actually, I can remove it pretty easily just using my fingernail, and I'm not afraid of scratching the paint with my fingernail. It's coming off pretty cleanly, so I might not even need to use Goo Gone. Look how much dirt already was trapped under this badge. Just from a couple days of ownership, maybe 100 miles or so. Okay, I think I can just wipe this off with a clean, soft cloth, and I'll use some spray detailer to clean this up a little bit. Alright, I've got some speed shine and a clean microfiber cloth. There's a couple remnants left, but not a whole lot. Let's see. See if I can feel anything. Because I certainly can't see anything. I think that's pretty clean. There's some dirt here. And just like that, no trace of the Veloster badge. I think that looks much better already. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it showed you just how easy it is to remove adhesive-backed badges from a new car.